Welcome. In this video, we're diving into how you can protect your videos on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, right from your PC. If you want more control over who sees and saves your content, this update gives you exactly that. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and you're on the main home screen. This is where everything begins. Now, look toward the left-hand side of your screen and click on the More icon. It's the one with the three little dots, your gateway to deeper account settings. Once you click it, a menu will appear with several options. Next, head to Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account management tools. From there, click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls who can interact with you and how your content appears across the platform. Once inside Privacy and Safety, scroll until you see Audience, Media, and Tagging. Go ahead and click on that. This is the area where you manage your audience preferences, control who can tag you in photos or videos, and where you'll find the new setting related to protecting your videos. Now look for an option labeled Protect Your Videos. You'll see a checkbox right next to it. Simply check the box to turn on protection. When this is enabled, your videos will only be visible to people who follow you, and it helps prevent your content from being widely reshared or downloaded without your permission. After checking the box, take a moment to review your settings to make sure everything looks how you want it. Once you're satisfied, you can close the settings window. Your changes are saved automatically. And that's it. You've just set up video protection on the X app. It's a quick but powerful way to maintain ownership of what you share. Keeping your content safe matters more than ever, and this small step ensures that your creative work stays in the right hands.